Hello everyone and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join the channel of Tonkeeper. So in order to join the channel of Tonkeeper, you first need to install the Tonkeeper application on your phone. And when you have installed that, you can either log in or create a Tonkeeper account. And after that, you can just click on Tonkeeper and you will be redirected to the home page of Tonkeeper. Then scroll down and under the section of finish setting up, you'll be able to see this option join Tonkeeper channel. So just click on open over here. And shortly after that you will be redirected to this interface on your Safari or your Google or Chrome, whichever searching engine which you have on your phone. And then you can, if you have Telegram downloaded, you can just click on view in Telegram. Or if you don't have Telegram downloaded, you'll first need to download Telegram and then click on view in Telegram. So that was basically how you can join the channel of Tonkeeper. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.